Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect headphones. In the beginning, this phone does not have typical headphones jack. So if you want to connect your headphones, you'll have to do it either by Bluetooth headphones or headphones with USB-C port. Simply plug your headphones into the charging port and then your headphones will be connected. If you want to connect your Bluetooth headphones, firstly enable Bluetooth and pairing mode on your headphones. Go to settings, enter Bluetooth, pair new device, and then you'll have to select your headphones from the list. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.